Hello and welcome back to Luxe, your ultimate channel for beauty, hairstyle and inspiration. If you are looking for the perfect short natural low-cut hairstyle to slay this season, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will be showcasing stunning and trendy low-cut hairstyles with vibrant colors that are guaranteed to turn heads. Whether you are bold and daring or love a subtle pop of color, there is something here for everyone. So let's start with bold and eye-catching colors for the queens who love to make a statement. From fairy reds to electric blues and neon greens, these hairstyles are all about confidence. Take a look at this ruby red low-cut Pixie. It is edgy and elegant. Or how about this icy blue fade with clean lines? These styles are perfect for making a bold fashion statement. And don't miss the neon green tapered cut with soft coils. It is giving main character energy. These bold colors are perfect for anyone ready to spice things up this season. For subtle and elegant tones, don't worry. This video got you covered with some subtle yet elegant tones. Think warm honey blondes, soft chocolate browns, and muted pastels. Check out this caramel brown low cut with perfectly defined waves. It is classy and timeless. Or this pastel lavender Pixie cut that gives a soft feminine vibe. And let's not forget this golden blonde boost cut. It's chic and effortlessly stylish. These colors add a touch of sophistication while keeping it fun and playful. Now, let's talk about designs and patterns. Short natural low cuts are perfect canvases for creative designs. Add a vibrant color and you have got a masterpiece. Here is a bold orange low cut featuring geometric patterns. It is a showstopper. And look at this purple boost cut with a star design shaved on the side. For a softer vibe, this rose gold fade with subtle swirls is absolutely gorgeous. Patterns and designs add personality to your hairstyle and make you stand out effortlessly. Tips for maintaining vibrant low cuts. Now, before we move on, let's quickly talk about maintaining these vibrant colors and styles. Here are a few tips. Use color-safe shampoos to prevent fading. Moisturize regularly to keep your hair soft and healthy. Visit your stylist for touch-ups if needed, especially for sharp designs or bold colors. With these tips, you will keep your style looking fresh all week long. Finally, here is a rapid-fire showcase of even more stunning short, natural low-cut hairstyles to inspire you this season. From vibrant reds, purples, and greens to sleek silvers and warm golden colors, each look is uniquely beautiful. Whether you want to rock coils, waves, or a clean fade, there is no shortage of options. Take a moment to pause this video and screenshot your favorite style so you can share them with your stylist later. And there you have it. The best short natural low-cut hairstyles with vibrant colors to inspire your look this season. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Luxe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any style inspiration. Thank you for watching, and remember, confidence is your best accessory. See you in the next video. Bye.